Okay, so now we've got our meat in the pan. We've got the ground beef, the pork, and the steak, and we're going to add some fresh ground pepper to it. So you can see it sizzling away beautifully. As much as you'd like in here, I like a lot of black pepper with the meat. This adds all that great flavor to it, because we're also going to add some more ingredients later that you'll see. And then I have some salt. You can go easy on that because we can always add that later. As usual with salt, you can't take it out, so only use as much as you think you need. And then what we want to do is a teaspoon of ground cumin. This is going to give that earthy chili flavor to it. So I like to use a generous teaspoon. And just kind of mix that around in there. And then I just grab my tongs or a spoon and just kind of mix that around. Get a nice earthy flavor out of that cumin right away. I mean, you can smell this. And what you want to do is you want to cook all this meat through. You just want to get a nice brown on the outside, a nice sear, because it's going to cook for quite a while in liquid and cook all the way through.